Hey, Ava. Hey, wake up. It's Valentine's Day. Honey bun. Ava. Time to get up. Wake up, honey. We gotta go to daycare. We're gonna have a Valentine's Day party at daycare. Wanna go to a party? Ava, wanna go party? Wanna go to a party? Hmm? It's a Valentine's Day party. Wake up. Gotta get up, honey. Sit up. Gotta get up, honey. You don't want to wake up? You want to stay home today? Yeah. I want to stay home too, but I can't. I have to go to work. You have to go to school, daycare. So we gotta get up. Okay.
Oh, Pablo.
Who was that?
Pablo.
Pablo?
Oh, take Pablo.
Can you say Happy Valentine's Day?
Yeah.
Say it.
Bye-bye, day. I'll take.
Grandma has a present for you upstairs.
Oh, I'll take Barney faces.
You want to take Barney what?
Take Barney. I'll take Barney into faces.
Okay.
Grandma has Barney.
Grandma has Barney?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Grandma's at work.
Oh. And Grandpa has Barney?
Maybe. Grandpa's upstairs. You want to go see Grandpa?
Yeah.
Okay.